yet or no?
No, sir.
So Aryan has gone to tuition, so I am attending it.
Oh, okay.
No, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
can you say something about yourself? This will be good. Hello.
So my name is Rudra. My father name is Naveen Kumar. I study in a Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School, Ludhiana. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books.
Wow, very nice. So, your hobbies is cricket. Earth is also cricket. So, that's very nice. You, let's do a little different talk. Then let's talk about cricket. So, uh, I heard there are already what is that called World Cup going on right now. Is it done or still
T20.
going? Huh?
T20 World Cup.
Uh huh. Still going on or it's finished?
Yes, sir. It is
Okay.
going on.
Okay. So, how is the performance of India in it?
Sir, in group it is all four match win
Hmm.
against your team, Nambia, Netherlands, and Pakistan, and USA.
Yeah. USA
Hmm.
will.
So when is the next game for India?
Tomorrow,
With which country this time?
India with South Africa.
Oh. Okay. So what is the chance of India winning again?
99%.
Oh, very good. Oh, that's very good. So looks like Indian team is in very good shape right now, huh?
Yes, sir.
And who are the top batsmen?
I think someone from that Zimbabwe.
No, no, no. From India side.
Hmm. Abhishek Sharma and Ishan Kishan.
Okay. All right. Let's see if you guys have any question or anything you want to talk about. Aryan's brother has come first time. Maybe he can talk about something. Do you have any question or anything you want to talk about?
No, sir.
Earth, do you want to talk about some anything? Any presentation or
Sir, today
uh,
only I have gone to the trip, educational trip.
uh what?
Pucha sir, today. It could have taken.
No, I didn't get it. What you were saying? Say it again.
So I gone to a educational trip today.
Oh, okay. So why don't you talk about that? Oh, that's very good topic. Trip.
Yes,
Wow, field trip. That's very nice. Yeah, I always used to look forward to trips like that. Where did you go for field trip?
sir, Pucha University, and there were like one, two places nearby only. It's that they are were making of mushroom, greenhouse room, many flowers were there. Dr. Rajendra Prasad Agricultural Agricultural University, sir.
Mm, very
So they
nice.
are making a mushroom like how in Bhuta or any Bhutsa type thing. It was kept mushroom. See, then in a room it was kept mushroom was growing. Then we have gone to a place where we came to see bat means
So, so do you know that there are a lot of agriculture scientists also?
yes sir.
And
There
what do
were
you think?
many like children also with studying in agricultural university.
Yeah. So, so science is very vast field, right? It's not only physics or chemistry or biology. There are so many other things. Geology is there, and geology is for like those who do the mining and all that. And what else? I mean,
Zoology.
yeah, good. So agriculture is very important. Agriculture because yeah, you have to grow food, right? Luckily, we are in a country where whole India is you can grow food. There are many countries you can be surprised they cannot grow their food. For example, like Saudi Arabia, many Arabian countries, they have desert. They cannot grow food, and they, of course, they have oil and other things, so they sell that and they buy food from other countries. Can you believe that? Yeah. So we are just lucky that that's why we have civilization of 5,000 years or even more. Some people say this is 14,000, 15,000 years, because India was a place where you can easily grow crops and vegetables and everything which we need for our life. And also, we were lucky that our temperature has been very mild. Can you imagine if you have a weather uh, like USA and Canada, which is very cold? Every house has to be heated in the winter time. Like imagine like in this country, 100 years back, they all used to heat their houses um, with wood. They have to chop off wood in the summertime, keep all the wood, and then warm up the house with those. So even in Russia, people have there are a lot of areas where the temperature is right now like minus 27 degree. Imagine how they live there. Minus 27 degree means 0 degree is a freezing temperature. Means at 0 degree, if you put a cup of water outside, within no time that water would become ice, and even lower than that temperature. So we have been lucky in that matter. And do you know which country has the highest population right now on planet Earth?
India sir.
How much is population?
150 crore.
Yeah. So that's a lot of people, right? It is like almost 4 times more than United States, and still we are lucky that we are able to. We don't have the food problem yet, so that's where the agriculture scientists come into play, because there was a food problem, in 1960s and 70s. We didn't have enough food, and there were famines. A lot of people died of starvation, and then there were some scientists who came with a new crop system, new what you call. I think they improved the wheat and rice, whatever quality, and then they also come up with some other crops where the crop time was reduced in months, so we could do like instead of 1 or one crop a year. We could do it like two, three crops a year. So a lot of changes were made, and then with that, India becomes self-sufficient in food, and after 70s, luckily, we have solved the problem. We are able to feed our people right now. So it's a good idea to know about agriculture and know about agriculture sciences too.
And sir, we have seen here Praveen Dwivedi ji. Yes, Praveen ji, I request you to please say something about yourself.
Hi, Dr. Jha. I got your number from Vedika, Dr. Vedika Vats.
Oh, very nice.
All
Thank
right.
you.
And my name is Praveen Dwivedi, and I've been working with, let's say, the semiconductor industry
Oh, very
as well.
nice.
All right. I started a company called Smart Card India late in the 2000s.
Uh-huh.
And then after that, after working in the industry for around 14, 15 years, I left the industry and then I started teaching in Gurukuls.
Oh, very nice.
All right. So that is what I have been doing since then. And also, I mean, now it feels like an insult, but I was a part of BJP. All
Me too. Me too.
right. Now,
we
now,
have
now,
very
this, yeah, this feels like an insult now. But, anyways,
we all are in the
uh,
same boat. So welcome first,
yeah.
Dwivedi ji, and
Mhm.
then
So,
this is this is your digital Gurukulam. So now you
no,
come
no,
here.
this is a physical Gurukul I was running in Banaras. All right. And
Okay.
we are also constructing one more Gurukul in Banaras,
Uh-huh.
right? I mean, that is totally only till now we were including anybody and everybody, but now we're taking an initiative of only including the general category students.
Yes,
All
we
right.
have to do that one.
And
We have
and
to.
and to top it all, what we are trying to do is we are trying to place these students not here in India, but in the European Union, uh, in the States, maybe in Japan,
Yeah.
Fiji, Mauritius, and other places. Not here in India because it's totally dirty now.
Yeah, it's
So
very bad.
Dr. Watts asked me to get in touch with you so that we could work together on this.
Yes,
And
definitely.
so I wanted to, just have a small talk with you right now.
Yeah.
And later on,
So
what I'll do is
yes,
I'll be sending you mails, and
yes,
then we can actually,
yeah,
talk to each other whenever necessary and take
yes,
this thing further. Right
yes.
now, I've just come back from a meeting.
Okay.
So
All right.
she asked me to get in touch with you, and I could see the timing. So I said,
Yeah.
okay, fine, this is a good time to get in touch with you.
Yes,
So what
yes.
I'll do is I'll send you a mail. I have
Yeah,
your email ID. I
yeah,
believe she's shared it with me.
yeah.
Uh, chaamar@yahoo.com, correct? I'll
Yeah.
send you a mail of what I'm planning, what I've been doing, and what I'm planning. All right.
Okay.
And then we can see how we can take your help and take this
Sure,
thing
sure.
further. All
Yeah,
right.
definitely we
What
can talk about
what
it.
we are also looking at is helping the GC students who aren't able to fund themselves. All right. So we'll be doing 100% funding for those students. So we are also looking at getting fundings from uh, US and EU, from people who are or own people who are based in EU and US and other places. So we'll work out a plan and we'll
Yes.
get this thing done. All right, sir.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right.
Appreciate coming.
So
Bye.
so I'll take your leave right now, and thank you so much
Yeah,
for listening. And
yeah.
I'll get
Thank
back to you ASAP. All right.
sure.
All right. Thank you so much. Good night.
Uh-huh.
Good
Bye.
evening. All right. Bye
Night,
bye.
sir. Good night.
Okay, so you guys heard he is another professor, and I was talking about our this digital platform, that what we do here on the X, which is another what do you call X is it still called X, or it's called Twitter? That's the Twitter, yeah. That's and then I told many other people that, hey, this is what we do on Saturday and Sunday, and then he just came to find out about us, what we do here. So
The
that's how we.
Sir came like every Saturday.
uh
Now
no, he is not going to come every Saturday. He just heard about the Mithila Digital World Family on the X, and then he wanted to get a feel of what it is, because he's doing another school. He is running Gurukul. He already has one Gurukul running someplace, and he wants to expand it. That's what he was saying, to make it international. And so he wanted to chat with me on that subject.
so I have a question.
Okay.
So like we have
So
came, then we have studied there like there are many type of mushrooms. So which are the type of mushrooms?
all right. So I guess, Aryan, you are the senior teacher today, so you will have to help me, because I don't know much about these biological stuff. So do you think you have any answer for him?
Sir, can you repeat the question? I didn't get him.
Okay. So Arts, can you repeat the question so that maybe if Aryan can help to answer it?
Which are the type of mushroom?
Which are the types of mushrooms?
Yes.
Mushrooms are uh, a type of fungus. They are special. There are many types of species, and they are in the category of fungus. Was that your question?
No, my question was what are the type of mushroom? Like different type.
What are the different types of mushrooms? Okay,
Sir, I have a question.
I don't. I don't have any idea about the types of mushrooms.
Sir, like Aryan told that mushroom is a type of fungus, then why we can why we can eat many type of fungus and why we can't
Oh,
eat many type of fungus?
so there are some species of fungus that can kill us if we eat them. One is, I think so, mycelium, penicillium. I think so that was its name, and it could kill us if we eat it. So everything that we see or is a fungus is not eatable. It can even kill us. So fungus or mushrooms are the eatable types of fungus. So was this your question?
You can also Google it. Have you tried Googling it? Types of mushroom. Can you put it in your computer and see what do you get? Maybe you can read from that and tell us. Do the in the search. Put it like types of mushroom. I don't have computer in front of today. I'm using phone.
Sir, one more student is there.
Oh, hi. Who is?
Akshita sir.
Akshita Jain. Jha.
Is that your cousin or?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Akshita. Could you please introduce to the group here?
Um,
Say your
sir,
name and your grade, and where do you live right now?
sir, my name is Akshita and I live in Bhanpur.
And your grade? Your which grade you are in?
I I I am class 5th student.
Mm, okay. Oh, fifth student. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Okay. All right. Can you tell us a little bit about any poetry which you can recite or sing? Do you want to recite a poetry for us?
No, sir.
You don't. You haven't by heart got any of the poetry? No.
No.
Okay. Okay. All right. So you have any question?
No, sir.
No question. Do you also study a little bit science in school?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What things you study in science?
Force, type of force, effect of force.
Wow. Okay. Then very good. Types of force, effect of force. Okay. So can you tell us a little bit about the force then, since you know the force? What is force?
एक second.
ठीक है, ठीक है. All right. So let's see what she can talk about force. You all know very well, so you guys can teach her a little bit more, expand her knowledge today.
Sir, she don't know the like basic because she said it kept the main class third.
Oh, it's okay, but you guys can teach her. That's why we can, you know, uh, those you can help them. Those who miss the classes here and there. We talk about fundamental physics. So force is the fundamental physics. So we have to
Sir,
explain to kids. Yeah.
force is defined as a push or pull which chains or tires to change the state of motion of a body when acting on it. Some common example of force are and pushing and pulling. A door to open, it pushing to the cart to move it, kicking a ball.
Very good. So now Aryan and Earth has some questions for you. So they will be asking you some simple questions, and you can answer them. Okay, you guys. I'm making a coffee. You guys continue.
So I have a question for you. Okay, so do you know about frictional force?
Frictional force.
Uh, uh,
Frictional force.
okay,
Fric, Friction is the force that oppose the motion and therefore tire to stop or slow down a moving object. A ball moving on the ground comes to rest on it when after some time due to the force of friction.
okay. So does frictional friction happen all the three states of matter?
No,
Okay, so what is your reasoning behind it? Why does that? Why doesn't friction happen in all the three forms of matter?
1 second, please.
Earth, you have also raised your hand.
Yes, I also have a question.
You got a question.
Yes, for him, for her.
Okay. So Akshita, do you have any answers? Any guess? Hello, Akshita.
No, I have no idea.
Okay, so then why did you say that it does not happen in all the three states of matter?
They are having a hit and cry.
Okay, I think so. Earth has a question for you. Earth, you can ask her the question.
Akrita, like, which are the topic are in your fourth chapter topic name?
Force, work, and energy.
So, like, there will be no topic. This will be the chapter name, the topic.
Topic: force, effect of force, type of force, work, energy,
Did you study about physical change and chemical change
chemical change,
or physical change?
physical change,
You can say
chemical change.
what?
The energy stored in matter is called chemical energy. Coal, wood, creosones,
No, 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 no.
petrol, and diesel have chemical energy. The chemical energy is instead to do mechanical work.
Aryan, what do you think?
Okay, so
Chemical change and physical change.
okay, so Akshita, do you know what happens on the molecular structure? Like what gives rise to friction? Do you know?
No,
Okay, so do you know what is an molecule?
molecule?
Yes.
No,
Or do you know what is an atom?
atom?
Yes.
No,
Okay, so
अरे वो he's studying in fifth grade यार.
okay, so atoms are are very small particles, and they are grouped, and when they are grouped they are called molecules, and when these molecules interact and interfere in their path, that is how we get friction. So that is friction on a molecular scale. So that is how we get friction in real life. So Earth, do you have any other questions for her?
Mm,
Okay, ask her if she knows different types of energy. Akshita, do you know what are the different types of
I think
energy?
she did not study like kinetic energy, potential energy.
No, 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 no. What are like what is general mechanical energy, electrical energy,
mechanical,
magnetic? Yeah, ask
Hydroelectricity.
little bit educate on and then teach her that how energy gets transformed from one to another.
mechanical
Kind of
energy,
general idea.
mechanical energy. There are two kinds of mechanical energy: ki- kinetic energy and poten- potential energy. The energy posed by a body due to its motion in is called kinetic energy. Wind, a running object, a bullet fired from a gun, and water falling down from GAM poses kinetic energy. The energy posed by a body due to its position is called pot- potential energy. A round spring in a toy, a stretched spring, a bow, and water stored in a reservoir possess potential energy.
See, Akshita, good. So, you should come every Saturday to this class, okay? You will learn a
Okay.
lot, you will hear a lot about different sciences, and then you can do very well in your school also. And then, if you need any help in science understanding,
No,
you can
sir.
call me also sometimes. I can give you a special class for it.
No.
Okay?
Sir, I have a question for Akshita.
Okay, good. Go ahead.
Like actually, you have like know about basic of energy potential kinetic. So you would know the formula for them.
No.
I think you should study.
Okay, let's ask her first about, do you understand what is mass and what is gravity first? Do you have understanding of it yet or no? Have you learned
Gravity,
about
I think
gravity?
he has studied.
Sir,
Hmm?
no.
Okay. So you don't know about gravity. Do you know what is mass?
No, sir.
Do you know what is density?
Sir, no.
Oh, so you have a lot to study. Okay, so Aryan was telling you that that smallest particle which we have is called atom. Like, for example, in your home, you can see, for example, uh, do you know what is iron is? Do you have any equipment in your home which is made of iron? Can you think of anything made of iron?
Mm,
Sir, no.
Or can you give any example of iron tool which we normally keep in our house?
sir, like X pickaxe.
Okay. Okay, let's do another example of copper. Anything of copper you have in your house?
Electric wire.
Good. And then sometimes we have also utensil, right? Some cooking things are also made of copper.
Cooking thing. Then that glass.
Okay, so glass is another material. Glass is not copper, but
No,
yes,
the
it is.
glass made up of copper.
Right. There,
Drinking.
yeah. Okay, yes, you are right. Okay, and then so like that, you know, if you see, there are many Akshita, things around your house, all these metals. So they all, if you keep breaking them, anything, then ultimately they will become atom. So there are billions and billions of atoms together. They are kept together by different forces, and there you see them physically. You can touch them, you can feel them, that how they are. It has a, so that is the basic uh, basic. So basically, you have atom, and then many atom when they uh, kind of group together, held together, they go to the next step, uh, and then keep adding more, and they can have a big mass, right? Okay, so that is first you understand that how all things are made of, anything, and then also these metals, these materials which we have in the world available, Ashita, they can be found in three steps. You need to worry about plasma. So, do you know the basic state of all the matters?
Sir, no.
Okay, Earth, can you help her? What is
What, sir?
what are the three different basic states of matter?
Mm, matter, sir.
Any matter, any material. In what forms they are found? Think about it. You know the answer. I know it.
Yes, sir. Like states of matter, no, sir.
Yes.
There are three states of matter: solid, which have fixed shape, fixed volume. Particles are tightly packed. Example: stone, ice, wood. Liquid, no fixed shape. Like it takes the shape of the container you pour it into. It has a fixed volume also. Like particles are loosely packed.
Mm-hmm.
Example: water, oil, juice, gas. Gas are no fixed shape, no fixed volume. Particles are farly apart. Example: air, oxygen, nitrogen.
Okay. And what is the third? Oh, okay, good. You said all three. So,
Yes.
Akshita, did you get the idea? What are the three different types of materials we have in the whole world around your house?
In short, you can say method is anything you can see, touch, feel, or even breathe because it has mass and volume.
Very nice. So, looks like Akshita is learning a lot today. Akshita, you have any question for Earth?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We can see force, but we cannot see its effect.
How we can see effect of force? We can see you put your brother, like you put anyone, you can't see that the person will fall.
Okay.
Are you are you convinced? So he is giving you example. Why you think that you don't see the effect? Like if you kick a ball, ball kind of goes to some other place from rest and start kind of moving, right? So that is the effect of the force. Is that true or not?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay.
Sir, like
Well, I see Udayji has also joined. So Udayji, we have only few kids today, but let's continue.
Yeah.
I would
Okay, Arthrajji, what is your question, please? Go ahead.
like yesterday we in science class we have studied some like mass, volume, and density. So what is a SI unit for mass, volume, density?
Wow. Okay, let's see if first Aryan can answer this question.
Good evening, sir.
Aryan?
Good
Yes, sir.
evening, everyone.
Sir,
Better late than never.
Aryan, can you answer his Earth's basic question of MKS system of units?
so for mass it is kg and for length it is meters.
And Earth. So and then there are three things, right?
Yes, the
L,
volume and
M,
density.
and T, time also, right? LMT.
The volume and density.
Oh, volume. Okay. So how do you define volume?
Okay.
Volume is the amount of space an object occupies.
Okay. So that is a volume, and then you know the mass. Then how do you now define the density? There is a relationship of volume and mass with density. So can you explain that?
Density is the amount of mass in a given volume of a substance. It tells like how tightly the matter had been packed.
Okay. So, all right. So, did we answer your MKS question? Did you get that?
No, sir, he said the SI unit of mass, but he did not see, say the of volume and density.
Okay.
For density, I think so. It is kg, kg meter a cube. So it is the amount of a mass that is in space, enclosed space.
Okay. This Earth. You can think, if you can think, you can get answer by yourself, because let's see here. Mass. What is the unit of mass? Kg, right? We talked about that one. And then he also told you that unit of length in MKS is meter. And so when you try to get the volume, what do you do? How? Let's say if you have a cube shape, there are
Yes.
different way of finding the. So if you have a cubical shape of matter, right?
Sir,
Then
like
how?
in math
And then the
also no
same,
we study
all,
volume.
all the tube has all the three sides same. So how you will be trying to find the volume there? Can you calculate? It will be length times width times height, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that's why he was saying you that meter cube is the volume. And now, if you want to find the density, what is density? The formula is mass divided by volume, right? So instead of mass, you put there kg, and then divide it by meter cube. So that becomes your unit. So you have to think a little bit in the science yourself. You can get many, many answers, right?
Sir, I have a
Okay.
question.
So yeah, but I have another question for Earth. There is another system also of measurement. MKS system is one, but there is another one which is also very popular in the world. British system, or so. Can you tell us what is the unit of length and what is the unit of mass there?
What, sir?
Do you know the what is the British system? What is their unit of mass and volume or length? Because in the world both systems are used. We in many countries we use MK system, but still many countries we uh, we use old system. For example, you know, so that okay. Looks like you don't know. There is for the mass they use pound, and then for length it will be like what? Inch,
My
inch, feet, miles. Like for example, in India we go that okay.
one
How
kilometer.
many kilometers in India? That is the unit because
One
MKS we have.
point six three kilometer, I think 1 mile.
Yeah, but in America, and in America, when you go on the road, we go by miles. How many miles is left? Distance is so many miles. We don't talk here right now in kilometers. So you still see that different places have different
Sir,
unit
like
system.
how much kilogram is a pound? One
Oh,
pound,
okay,
pound.
okay. Can
400.
you? Okay, it is, I think it is 4.2, but anyway, you should Google it. These kind of questions now you guys should be able to. Our goal is to teach you that many questions before you ask, try to think about it, and many times you already will find answer of your question. If not, then try to Google it also. See or YouTube, since you all have computer now. And then best way to learn something is if you try to discover yourself. And then after that, if you don't get it, then you of course ask question to other people. And then if other people know, then they will answer. In science we only answer if we know. If we don't know, we say We don't know about it. All right, Malik ji, how are you?
Yeah,
Doing so.
today I had to attend three meetings before coming here.
Oh boy.
No, two meetings and one birthday.
Oh,
Yes.
So,
So,
Sir, I
sir,
have a question.
yeah, go ahead with the question.
Sir, like reversible and irreversible change are the only no like physical and chemical change.
no, it is just one of the characteristics. So, in chemical change, what happens? That smell may go off, the color may change, some radiation may be absorbed, or it may be given. And physical change, it is the change in the physical properties like shape.
Like where we studied a physical change is a temporary change. It does not result in formation of a new substance.
Yes.
And
So,
in chemical change, a chemical change forms one or more new substance.
okay. So, sir, I had a question for you, Mallik sir.
Yes, go ahead.
So, how do we measure any planet's magnetic field? Like some, we say that the Earth's magnetic field is something like 1 Tesla or it is 100 Gauss. So, how do we measure that, and what does that what does that mean?
No, yeah, I do not have answer to this question. Udayji, do you have answer to this question? Yeah, it is true that people have measured the magnetic field of Jupiter, magnetic field. The only thing I can guess is that it is the space rockets which have gone and have collected data.
So
But
I know
Yeah,
sitting
the
here on
tools
Earth, how do I
measured
measure it?
to use the magnetic field.
Alex,
Yes,
what you are saying? I
Sir,
always say,
like I know the tool name for measuring the magnetic field.
yes.
I
Uday,
think it's something like magnetometer.
yeah, magnetometer is an instrument that measures magnetic field. So now Aryan's question is that sitting here on Earth, how do I measure magnetic field of say
Sir,
Jupiter?
like for the strong magnetic field, we can measure by a spacecraft. Like for the magnetic field of Jupiter, it was measured by a spacecraft named Juno.
Yeah, that is true. But Aryan is asking, sitting here on Earth, how do I measure? Is it Aryan? Is it that what you're asking? No.
Yes, sir.
Well, I have no idea. I
Using
remember the data collected by the spacecrafts is what being published. So,
and I know
yeah.
that spacecraft have been used to measure the magnetic field using
Or
magnetometer. So that is the
yes, yes, yes. Yeah, in fact, the first one, even the that Voyager 1 and 2, they carried a magnetometer.
Sir, but what if we had to uh, go more further, like where our spacecrafts can't reach?
Then how to measure?
Yes.
I can't answer this question, how to measure.
Sir, one thing is that we can get like if we get the amount of iron there is flowing in the core of it, then we may get to know how much magnetic field may be created.
Usually, you see, in the if suppose it is a star or something like that. So, for a magnetic iron to become a magnet, you need the solidification. So, that would be difficult to obtain in a star. But iron, only when they form domains, it becomes a magnet.
Yes, sir.
Let me do some research. Maybe I'll come back with an answer next time.
Okay, sir. And yes, sir, some time ago I had uh, uh, asked about energy conservation laws. So I told about that how our universe is not following the conservation laws, the energy conservation laws for the whole universe. So what do you think about that? That uh, energy is not being conserved in the universe as a whole.
But energy is energy anyway. Conservation of energy is not there because the mass and energy equivalence is there.
So what happens like when a photon is being released and it travels through space, its wavelength get decreased, and so what does that mean? Its energy also decrease, and that energy just goes nowhere, disappears. So the energy just disappeared out of the universe. It vanished. So that is one of the case.
Let me try to understand. Udayji, you have an answer to this?
Can, can you repeat the question? That why energy is not being conserved?
So energy is not conserved, it's not being conserved because when a photon is traveling through space, uh, it its wavelengths get increased because of the universe expansion, and it decreases energy of the photon, and that energy goes nowhere.
That I don't have ready answers for this. But one thing I know that with the advent of wave theory, the law of conservation of energy has gone for a six because that particular thing does not factor in the wave part of it. But I cannot really tell you that what happens to the photon when it's released and is not observed by anyone else because it should get observed somewhere. If it's emitted from somewhere, it will get observed somewhere. When it's getting lost, I have no idea. It is. I don't even have idea whether it gets lost because
Yes,
I
sir.
think if it is emitted from somewhere, it will be observed somewhere.
Akshita wanted to ask a question.
Yes.
Sir, no.
Yes?
What's
Yes, go ahead.
So, sir, she's saying that she didn't want to ask that question. I think so. She did it accidentally, raised that hand accidentally.
Okay, okay.
So, Akshita, can you say something about yourself once again? Akshita?
Okay, sir. My name is Akshita. I I I live in Bhanpur. I am 11-year old.
And in which class you are?
Fifth class.
So, do you study science?
Yes, sir.
Do you study science in your school?
Yes, sir.
What is it that you study?
Force, type of force, effect of force.
Eh?
So
Oh,
can I ask a question from Akshita?
Yes, go ahead.
Akshita, like these all are, I think, a topic from a chapter. What are the chapter that you studied? It is not that you only studied about foods in a book. There will be some more chapter.
Yes. Simple machine.
Mm. Can I ask some question from simple machines? I have also studied.
Okay.
Like what can you define briefly of all six type of simple machine?
Okay. Load. It is the object that is to be lifted or moved. Fulcrum. Fulcrum.
Akshita.
Fulcrum is the that part of the lever that does not move. Effort. The downward force that is applied on one end of the road to move or lift the load. First class
Akshita,
lever.
so Akshita, I
like
think
you are
so.
saying the different types of liver. I told to say about the like simple machine, the check type. Inclined plane, it's screw, wedge, wheel and axle, pulley and lever. You have explained like different part of liver, and now you are going to explain different types of liver.
A pulley is a grooved wheel with a rope, chain, or belt running around it. The wheel rotates around it. The wheel rotates around a fixed rod called axle that passes through in its center. It changes the direction of force and thus makes it easier to lift things to some height.
Thanks for the answer. Very difficult question.
So can I ask another question?
Yes, sure.
Sir, Akshita, what you meant by a machine?
No, Arth, you have to ask a question which you don't understand. Do you understand this question? Do you have the answer to this question?
Yes, sir.
Oh, then you should not ask. No, you should ask those questions which you are having difficulty in trying to understand.
Like Akshita, what is the position of load and effort in a second class level?
Um, in second class lever, that load is in between the fulcrum and the effort. Bottle opener, example, bottle opener, nutcracker, and wheelbarrows.
Okay.
Okay, now who wants to ask the question?
Sir, I only.
What is the question?
Akshita, like it's a crew and wedge is a type of inclined plane. Then why it is like uh, it is another simple machine?
I have no idea.
Like if a wheel and axle is means pulley is also a type of wheel and axle only, Akshita, because you said that it is a grooved wheel with a rope or cable around it. means pulley and wheel and axle are of two different types. Akshita,
Yes.
like you are saying that pulley different from wheel and axle.
Yes.
Like how you can say that they are same or they are different?
I have no idea.
Okay, now, so any other question?
Hmm.
Yes, sir, I had all of them.
Yes, Aryan, yes.
No, sir,
So,
Hmm?
I have a
so
question for Akshita again.
okay.
No, no. No, Earth, you can ask question to us.
Okay, sir. Sir, like any uh, like we can't play cricket by hand, so we use a bat. So it make our life easier by one type. So which type of machine or simple machine it is?
Oh my God, very hard question Earth is asking today. Aryan, you can answer this question. He's
Sir,
asking what kind of machine is cricket bat?
okay, so what kind of machine is a
Acha, by the way, Earth, what is a machine, by the way?
So a device used to make work easier is called a machine. Machine help us to do work with less effort. There are two types of machines: simple machines and complex machines.
So it makes a machine is something which makes the work easier.
Yes, sir. It is used in our daily life. Like now we are doing meeting from mobile phone or laptop.
Yeah, but what work the mobile phone does?
So like it also make our life or work easier. Like for doing addition subtraction, we have calculator. For searching over the internet, we have Google, Yahoo, Bing, Edge.
So you are saying that a machine is something which makes our life easier, is
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yeah, but in your book you will find a machine is something which does work.
So, sir, like work is done when an object move by applying force. Then,
Right.
when we apply force to the bat, the ball moves. Then the work is done. So it will
Yes.
be a type of machine only, no?
Right. Agreed. But what about you are saying mobile is also a machine because what work does it do?
So, like it is a type of complex machine. It is made up of many parts that work together.
सो उदय जी हमारे बच्चे सब कितने इंटेलिजेंट हैं सो देख रहे हैं आप
सिंपल चीजों में भी दे आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड रीजन कैसे होता है
राइट
what
नाउ
what
द
you are saying is
चिल्ड्रन
cricket
आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट
so what happens in cricket actually is like lifting load. You have a crowbar, you have a fulcrum, you have a load, you put it, press it from one end to lift the weight. So you are doing something similar in case of cricket bat also.
So, like it is a type of lever then.
Yeah, it's a type of lever.
Sir, then where are like which type of level? First class, second class, third class?
Third class.
Sir, position of fulcrum, effort, and load for a bat. Like where is its load? Where is its effort? So like for the position, it is written that fulcrum, effort, and load. So effort we are giving at the front part of the bat, not means upside of the bat. So it can't be third class level.
So the fulcrum will be the top hand and the effort will be the bottom hand, which provides the. So
No,
that
the
when you hold a
effort
bat,
is in the middle. Load is in
no,
the bottom.
no, no. In this particular case, is only the handle part is which is doing everything. The lower part is not. You have no control over. So the lower part is only used for hitting the ball. Okay. So the when the ball hits the lower part,
Okay, sir.
that is thing is happening. So everything, the both the fulcrum and the
So,
effort is
sir,
on the
a
handle.
bat is not any. It is a like rough type of third class level and second class level.
Sorry.
Like mix up of everything.
Yeah. So in the
So
first
like
class,
you're
this
saying that fulcrum is in the top hand, load is in the middle, and effort is in the bottom hand.
no. The effort is load is at the lower portion where the ball is hitting. So when we look at the different class of this thing is class one is when fulcrum is in between the two, like seesaw.
Yes,
Class two is when the load is between
yes, sir.
burrow, and class three is when effort is between the fulcrum and load.
Yes, sir.
So effort is between. So effort is the lower portion of the hand, which is there. It's not middle means it's not exactly physical middle between the two. When you hold a bat, the top hand works as a fulcrum, and the lower hand that works as the effort.
Yes, sir.
Did I answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Aryan, we take the last question.
Yes, sir. So I had a question. Is there an SI unit of entropy? Like it measures the disorderness. So can we give it a number?
Of course, it comes in the equation. So there is a number is there.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
So what is the question?
But entropy is a, a very interesting concept. Philosophically, it means that it measures the amount of disorder, and every action that takes place increases the disorder. So it tells about the what is the direction of time. So direction of time is such that always the disorder increases.
Okay.
Actually, the entropy is basically the heat energy divided by temperature. So it has to be the unit for energy, which is joules, and the unit for temperature, which is Kelvin.
Kelvin.
So it will be joules per Kelvin.
Right. So entropy is a nice concept. When you go to the college, I think you will encounter this entropy in many places. तो अब हम लोग पंकज जी अब 9 9:25 मेरे घड़ी में 9 yeah
Yes,
9:25.
sir. Yes, sir. 9:25.
Yeah. Our children they want to now take food also. अच्छा कल स्कूल छुट्टी है.
Yes,
Yes, sir,
yes,
Sunday.
sir.
Okay then.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Wish you all the
Bye.
best, all of you. Uday ji.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
अमरनाथ
Thank
जी
you,
हैं कि
Akshita.
नहीं?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, I'm
Amarnath
still
sir.
here. Yeah, so Akshita, thank you for coming and please keep coming. So we had a new student today.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Uh,